at the mining district. Now, we've been over here several times, a dozen times or more. And we got some, you can hear them talking to each other. That's a bull. That's a bull over there. Ooh! Well, it's got horns, so. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's a girl. That's a girl cow with horns. So we're over here in the mining district now. The first time we came up here, we actually found a copper mining field full of copper rocks. And we were going to hike down there. We're going to drive our RZR down in there, but the weather turned drastically and we had to turn around. Now, we've been up here several times, probably 5 or 6 other times, looking for this mine district area. And so that's where we're heading to today. We're going to try to find this mine. Now we got our RZR out here with us instead of our little motorcycles. And we're going to try to locate this copper field mine that I found that we never did actually go all the way down into. So we're going to drive around up here. Now we might go into some other mining areas and possibly go into another mine while we're out here. So let's get on the trail and let's see what we can do. Okay, he's calling his cows over. Look at him.
Come over here.
They're mad at us because we're over here. They're mad at us, look.
Yeah, they will.
I'm sorry. Okay? Uh-oh, look, here they come. Oh, they're gonna gang up on us. Oh, shit. They're gonna gang up on us. Look at them all. Moo! Come here. Come on. They're gonna gang up on us. There they go, look at them. These ones have lost their winter coats, man. You see how shiny they are? Oh, she's looking for her baby, look at her. That must be Mama, Minnie. Listen to the little babies. They sound like... The babies sound like little lambs. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, moo. There they go. There they go. There's your little babies. They're coming home to Mama. Oh, those are all little calves. All of them are Mama's calves. Don't worry, we're not taking your cows. You're fine. There goes the babies. There's your little babies. That one's licking his lips while he's looking at me. Okay. We saw enough cow action today. Let's get on the trail. She's an old one. Look how old she is. She's going to sway back. Minnie. Yeah. Okay, there's your babies. There you go. Okay, we're about a mile in, and we came to the fork in the road. Now, I do have GPS on my RZR, so if you want to look over here, I got many following behind me because I've looked for this place. I found it on accident, and then I looked for it probably 10 or 12 other times, maybe 7 or 8, I don't know. And I just can't find where this place is. So hopefully today we're going to find it. But if you look at this wall on this ledge side here of this plateau, look at all the copper that has formed. So we know we're going in the general direction of where we're supposed to be.
Are you talking about flooding?
No, I'm not.
Oh, never mind.
What
then.
happened?
Well, I thought that it was going
It was
this
really
way.
flooded. The first time we came out here, this was flooded out.
Yeah, it goes from here to there.
Yes, that's right.
And look at that tree. You can see where it tore the bark
Yeah.
off that tree. See how tall it went?
Yeah, look how tall the water was. You can see the water line where it flooded out was way up here. It ripped the bark right off the tree. So this is a high extreme flood area. All those boulders you see were washed down from a flood. What you're looking at over here on this copper pile on the side of this hillside, this is a natural runoff. This is not a tailing from a mine. So we're not going to go over there. I just want to get out of the brush and get a good gander at it and show you how beautiful it looks with all the minerals. And I'm just going to be honest with you, the aroma of the fresh air and the beautiful surroundings, you just can't beat it. You just can't beat it. So this is a natural runoff. This is not a tailing from a mine. And you can see that this area is full of copper ore. So I believe we're in the right direction. We're going to continue to move forward. We're going to take our time. We're going approximately 15-20 miles an hour. And I think we're going to find, hopefully, the mine today. Yeah, look at that. The thing's about 3-inch diameter. That's called,
Pop!
That's a spike.
Goes the tire.
No, pop goes the weasel.
No, the tire.
Yeah.
I heard it. I knew it immediately.
Well,
I didn't know it was
I hate
that.
to disappoint everybody, but our journey is over for the day. That's a 14-inch. This is a 15-inch. And we're going to have to go super slow back unless I change that put that tire on the front and the front tire on this. And there ain't no big boulders here to, yeah, what a real mess. So we got our trusty.
Do we have a jack?
Yes, hold that, please. But anyway, I want everybody to take a look here. The area that we're in, if you can kind of pan around, this is where that copper mine is, somewhere around here. All we got, and I'm thinking it's over here on the other side of this hill, look. On the other side of that hill, over in that direction. So I do got the impact, but I also have my shovel. Do you think we might need my shovel today? I do got this right here. So I got this in the junkyard, this jack set up here, and I never thought I'd have to use it, so, but unfortunately we do have to use it.
Well, we need to find a couple of rocks to put under the tire since we're going.
Why?
Because we're on a downhill grade, that's why. It's like
I'm going to take the tire off and put the other tire on. Where's it going to go? Well, we got it changed. Of course, we got a 14 on the back. That's really not good for the ratio, so we're going to have to go really slow. But
Now, you want me to help you lift that, or you think you can
I
go
think
by
I can get it.
yourself?
I just gotta get it up here. It's not that heavy.
Don't let that stick poke you in the eye.
Yes, I know. It already poked the tires, all right.
Right?
So it doesn't poke mine.
The stick, there you go.
What a bitch, huh?
Yeah.
What a bitch. But I never thought we'd ever have to use that. But let me tell you, if you own a RZR or a side-by-side or whatever or anything, bring a spare. Look where we're at. We're like in the middle of nowhere, 20 miles from our truck.
It would be a super duper long walk in this heat with not any clouds.
We wouldn't get
no
there
shade.
probably until midnight.
Thursday.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. And this
Yeah,
isn't. This is actually the second time we've had a flat.
On
Now,
a RZR?
No. We had a flat on our truck, remember? I think it was on Sandflats Road.
Yes, I remember. That's before I had my knees rebuilt,
Yeah.
and it sucked.
And 3 or 4 people passed us up, and
Nobody would help us.
Not one even asked us if
Not
we needed
one
help.
person stopped to say, hey, you need any help or anything. We were on this desolated, extreme 4x4 road, and I was over there. It was 190 degrees, and I'm down there on my back trying to dig rocks and all this other shit, and not one motherfucking person stopped.
Not one.
Everybody didn't even look or wave or nothing. Just kept, fuck it, don't even stop.
Acted like they didn't see us.
Acted like we were stupid.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It really actually happened that way.
Yep, that was the fucking bullshit. So the deal is you better have a spare tire, people. Don't leave the house without a spare.
And the tools to change it out with.
Yeah, our impact didn't work. Lucky I had a
Breaker bar.
breaker bar, exactly. And then look at this thing here, is barely gonna make it on this tire. Oh shit. Hang on, let's get this in the middle. You can see I've never used this. I got that tire, that spare tire I got for free.
Yeah, that came with it.
You remember that?
That came with the car, right? The RZR, right?
Yeah, they gave it to us free when I bought the...
Yeah. It's
RZR.
never even been off that rack.
Nope. So that was actually a pretty good deal, really.
Yeah.
So always remember, if you do side-by-siding,
ATVs, UTVs, all of it. You need to have tools.
how much do the jerk-offs in town charge to come get you in a place like this?
I don't know. I think
The
it's
big 4x4 rescue team.
I think it's like $250 an hour.
$250, $300 an hour.
Yeah.
And we're talking from
And the time
the
starts
minute
when
they
leave their place.
the minute that they open the office door and close it to the time they get to you and then back is how much you're going to pay.
Yeah. It's expensive to.
Better have a spare, people.
Yeah, it's expensive to have an emergency in the wild.
All right, we're going to get back on the trail.
It's a little bit small, but
yeah,
it should
look,
get us there.
It's got air in it. It should get us there. It doesn't have a lot of air, but we're going to go slow. So, spare tire. Have a spare. If you do what me and Minnie do and go 20, 30, 40 miles out in the middle of nowhere, have a spare tire. You're going to need one.
Someday.
Let's go.
Bitch, bastard, bitch, bastard, bastard, bastard,
Well, we made it back to the truck. It was actually only 6 miles. No, 7, 8 miles. It was 8 miles is where we went. And We made it back on our spare tire. It barely had any air in it. You can kind of see that, but yeah, wow, what a trip. So we didn't find the copper mine on this trip, but believe me, we're coming out here next week or whenever I can afford to get some tires, and we're coming out here to do it all over again. Take it easy. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete, in search of the lost, abandoned copper mine out here in mine country. Well, this is present day, and there's our RZR right there. Now, that little venture you just saw was actually at the beginning of summer 2025. It's now February 2026, and that is the situation you have. Spare tire is mandatory. I'm going to tell you that right now. Unless you are rich and have people that are going to come save you and rescue you for free, I'm going to tell you right now, you should carry a spare tire with you everywhere you go. So this is the brand new tire that we had to purchase, and here's the deal on these tires. All brands have different tread patterns. Now, these are Sedona tires that you see on the RZR, and these ones are actually 2 to 3 years old, and this one's brand new. And let me tell you what, that brand new tire right there costs $325. That was a $325 tire that I had to purchase to replace the one that got stuck by a stick. Another thing is having a spare tire that's the same size as the tires that you have. This happens to be a 14-inch, and like I said earlier, I got that for free when I purchased the RZR itself. They threw that spare tire in for me, matching spare tire that it was. But when you use a different size tire as a spare tire, it's important that you go super slow, because it will burn up your transmission, because this tire here wants to spin faster than the bigger tire that's going to go slower, if that makes any sense. So we were lucky. I thought we were about 20 miles out, but we were only like 7 or 8, and we made it back safe. So once again, spare tire or credit card, it's up to you. Be wise, be smart, and have a spare tire everywhere you go, bitch. Everywhere you go.
Fuck, 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 cock, cock, fucking cock, 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 vagina, minge, 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 penis, shitting, fuck, cock, cock, piss, 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 fucking cock.